Youth violence in the Circle City brought hundreds together this weekend to search for answers. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid shows us the ideas debated to help kids break the cycle of violence in their lives.
Another tough weekend for teens in Indianapolis. A teenage boy is in custody after a fatal shooting on the north side. A 17-year-old girl in custody after a stabbing on the east side. All this was happening at the same time youth from across the city were meeting with leaders to find out a solution to youth violence. A 17-year-old was arrested and a gun confiscated after a female was shot in the neck in the 9400 block of Thornapple Lane early Saturday morning. And Saturday afternoon, a 17-year-old girl was arrested for stabbing a male on Eustis Drive. At about the same time as True Dialogue 8, a youth-led forum was meeting so that adults who have access to the money and who make the decisions on how to spend it could hear about how tough it is to grow up and stay safe in Indianapolis.
At my table, a lot of the conversation was around safe spaces for kids, and knowing that school is not a safe space or that home is not a safe space, trying to figure out where they do feel safe and then coming up with ways to make them feel safer.
Mayor Joe Hogsett's office was there, as was Congressman Andre Carson, and a state senator, and a city-county councilor.
We were finally able to speak to the higher level people, to speak to them about the issues that's in our communities, like mental health and counselors and therapists.
When we look at the impact of trauma, so a lot of these kids who are committing these crimes have been exposed to chronic trauma, violence, domestic violence, all these things, and that disrupts how they express themselves, how they receive love, how they show love. And so we have to be able, as a community, understand the power of trauma and understand that healing has to be collective.
I had a father that passed away when I was young. I actually got a mentor and a counselor, so all the pain that I had built up, I took it out and gave it to my mentor and my counselor.
With more than 20 juveniles dead of gunshot wounds in Indianapolis last year, the Office of Public Health and Safety is creating a position of youth crime prevention outreach manager.
And so if we're creating a system of only focusing on adults without taking into the youth considerations, then we're not really fixing anything, right? We're putting a Band-Aid on something that needs surgery.
Part of the assignments for those teenagers to get the phone numbers and names of all the people who they met with on Saturday afternoon and then invite them to their schools and events and hold them accountable for coming up for answers to teen violence. On the city's west side, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.